Welcome to the Green Festival 2024, celebrated at the Excel Group of Schools, Tiruvata, in collaboration with the Green Agri Club, aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This year, we focused on Goals 12, promoting responsible consumption and production, 13, climate action, and 17, partnership for the goals.
On this special day, farmers from various places brought a variety of organic crops grown at their home. An auction was held for these organic items with enthusiastic participation from farmers, agriculturalists, teachers, and students. All proceeds from the auction will benefit the farmers and support their welfare and well-being through the Green Agri Club.
Students of Excel Group of Schools following the National Education Policy 2020 guidelines showcased their skills by creating various products.
The herbal department made herbal soap from neem, turmeric and many more, and also herbal hair oil. The culinary department crafted energy bars and fruit salads with top organic ingredients.
The medical department, under the guidance of our managing director, Mrs. Brinda Srikumar, produced a knee pain relief oil formulated after consulting Ayurvedic doctors and based on her own experience.
Students confidently explained the benefits of these products to the customers.
Business study students then purchased these items from different labs, applying their knowledge in marketing, negotiation, and accounting.
AS and A-level business students also contributed significantly, with AS level students focusing on business activities where A-level students were handling accounting tasks.
The event commenced with farmers and Green Agri Club members arranging organic items for display.
The inauguration was led by Mrs. Brinda Srikumar, Managing Director of Excel Group of Schools, and Mrs. Geeta, Correspondent of Grace Institutions, who declared the event open.
Dr. Agri Rajakumar, President of Green Agri Club, oversaw the entire event. Dr. Srikumar, the Chairman of Excel Group of Schools, honored us with his presence during the event.
Dignitaries visited all exhibits before formal introduction and inaugural address by Mrs. Brinda.
Following this, the auction took place, distributing organic products to those in need. The day concluded with a valedictory meeting where prizes were awarded and students who contributed to the festival's success were honored.
The Green Festival 2024 was a resounding success, showcasing the skills acquired by our students and raising awareness of SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, SDG 13, climate action, and SDG 17, partnerships.
Thank you to everyone who made this event possible. Together, we are fostering a sustainable future. Excel Group of Schools, empowering through education and sustainability.